Here are these little cute toys I just got from my kids. This is great if you have 2 kids about the same age like I do. One of them is like the guy that's a racer car, and then this one is the police officer that's going to chase them. I love that. So let me show you. They do take a good bit of batteries. I want to say there's 2 AA's in here, 2 in there, 3 in each car. But how cute are these? They do so much. So that guy has sirens. This guy has a horn. Also plays a little song. Let me show you here. Super easy. Just forward and reverse. Oh, go back.
Maybe there's face in it.
Let's see, how do they turn?
I don't know.
Whoop, forward. Whoa. As you can see, they are a big hit with the preschool crowd here. Have fun. Cool, buddy. The dog is loving it.